Is the Find My iPhone grayed out in the settings on your iPhone? How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can fix the problem if the Find My iPhone is grayed out in the settings on your iPhone with iOS 18. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to fix the problem, first thing first, make sure you have a stable internet connection on your device. Swipe down from the very top and enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds and turn it back off. And this will actually restart your network system, and most likely your problem is going to be solved. But also you just need to check out some of the important settings. Open up the settings app from a device and then scroll down from this page and tap on screen time. And then scroll down again, tap on content privacy restriction, and then go ahead and turn up the content privacy restriction from here, and then get back to the settings once again. And then scroll down, tap on Face ID and passcode. Put your passcode right over here. And from this page, scroll down a little bit, and he'll get to see the stolen device protection. If this option is enabled, go ahead and turn this option off and then get back to your home screen and then restart your iPhone one. You can tap on this virtual home button, device, more, and tap on restart, and tap on restart in order to restart your iPhone. And also you can turn off and on your iPhone as well. And once you have restarted your iPhone, most likely your problem is going to be solved. But let's say you did this process but it's still the Find My iPhone is grayed out, then here's the last process that you guys can follow. Open up the settings application once again from a device, and then scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your iPhone to the latest iOS. But if you don't find any update, then get back to the general inside the settings, and then scroll down to the very bottom, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, and tap reset location and privacy from here, and then put your passcode, and then simply go and tap on reset settings, and this will actually reset your location services. And once you get back, most likely problem is going to be solved and you will be able to turn on the Find My iPhone on your iPhone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.